Lovely Abelia gives birth to baby boy, posts unfiltered photo on IG. Lovely Abelia has given birth to her child with actor-dancer Benj Manalo. In a post on Instagram on Sunday, September 17, 2023, Lovely uploaded an unfiltered photo of her while breastfeeding her newborn son, Liam Emmanuel. Lovely started her lengthy post with the words, "Di ka man lang nagpaganda." A photo of Lovely sans makeup, clad in what looks like a half-worn hospital gown and only in her underwear, accompanied the post. Sa lahat po ng hirap ng pinagdaanan ko, hindi ko na po kayang magpaganda, ang gusto ko lang ay may raws ng healthy ang anak ko, ng mga oras na to wala akong kinapitan kundi ang faith ko kay Lord na hindi niya kami pababayaan ang pagmamahal sa akin ng asawa ko at Benj pamilya at mga kaibigan ko at ang mga dasal ninyo, the actress wrote. Based on Lovely's post, it was evident that the Kapuso actress had endured a lot in her pregnancy for her second child. Lovely has a child named Krisha K from a previous relationship. Binigla kami ng pagkakataon, di ko alam na mararanasan ko lahat ng hindi ko naranasan sa unang anak ko, kaya ang larawan na ta ay nagsisimbolo na mahalin natin ang mga nanay at mga magulang natin, said Lovely. Lovely will share in her upcoming vlog episode on Saturday, September 23, 2023, her motherhood journey, including all the challenges she and Benj went through. Lovely said, "Itutuloy ko lang po ang pagpapabreastfeed ko sa anak ko, at hanggang ngayon hirap pa din ako mag-produce ng milk, pag-aaralan ko ulit hanggang sa magtagumpay ako para sa pangangailangan ng anak ko." She then went on to thank her doctors for looking after her and Liam Emmanuel, and ensuring a successful delivery.